So here first question is Codex food standards are voluntary standards. So second option is right answer. Next question is the food authority comprises of 22 members, of which women shall make up to. In food authority, one out of 22 members, one third should be women. So first option is right answer. Next question is the director of PIDA is appointed by. PIDA is Agriculture Process Export Development Authority, and the director of PIDA is appointed by PIDA itself. Second option is right answer. Next question is a PT food manufacturer is someone who has a tiny food business with an annual turnover not exceeding 12 lakh. Third option is right answer. Next question is BIS certification for drinking water is BIS Bureau of Indian Standards. It is voluntary standard. Third option is right answer. Next question is the full form of IW finishing is. So second option is right answer. Illegal, unreported and unregulated. Next question is the full form of MRA is. So MRA full form is microbiological risk assessment. Second option is right answer. Next question, the function of MPDA include. MPDA is similar to APIDA. Here MPDA stands for Marine Product Export Development Authority, and the role of MPDA is to inspection of marine products, its raw material, fixing standards specifically related to marine products. Third option is right answer. Next question is which of the following is not a part of risk analysis. So third option is risk prevention is not a part of risk analysis. Next question is health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. This is defined by WHO, World Health Organization. Second option is right answer. Next question is maximum residue limit for individual pesticide in or specific commodity is proposed by. So it's proposed by JMPR. JMPR is joint meeting of FAO and WHO. So it stands for Joint Meeting on Pesticide Residue, and this first option is right answer. Next question is an important catalyst in conception of Codex Alimentarius Commission is. So this is International Dairy Federation. Second option is right answer. Next question is in case the seized food article is perishable and unfit for human consumption, the food safety officer should. So if food item is unfit to human consumption, then food safety officer should destroy these items after giving a notice in writing to a food business operator. So the fourth option is right answer. Next question is an autonomous commercial policy instrument directed to promote and sustain mutual trade and to develop economic cooperation among countries termed as certificate origin. Third option is right answer. Next question is BIS is national standard body supported by Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. So second option is right answer.